Hello, friends. Welcome to CareersTalk. And today we are going to see a wonderful and an exciting topic, how to create a visibility as a Scrum Master. Thank you so much, Sunan, for the great opportunity today. And this is Sindhuja Nagendran. Many of you know about me a little bit. For the new subscribers, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sindhuja Nagendran. I'm working as a senior Scrum Master in Devon. I'm PSM 1 and PSM 2 certified, and I'm having some good experience in IT. Okay. If you're thinking that you're not able to get some good hike or increment in your organization, or though you are performing very well, amazingly, but still your visibility is not that great or not showcased or proven, then this is the video for you. If you think this video is going to hit, do watch until the end of this video. Here I shared with some examples which is very proven for me. I literally tried this and it worked out very well for me, so I thought to share with you to bring some insights about how to create a visibility as a great scrum master. Say for an instance, if some situation is coming like your delivery lead or your manager or someone else from your organization or your coach wants to give some promotion to you out of some 10 scrum masters or out of some 50 or 5 scrum masters, how will you differentiate yourself? So this video will help you to get that idea, or otherwise in a negative turn as well, we could say, if there is a fire off going to happen in your organization. So if you are such a visible and great going scrum master, then you will be in the safest zone. So watch this video till you get some great insights. Okay, maybe you maybe think that this is very simple, but it is really important one. As per the quote by Philip Arnold, he is a great confidence trickster. Your inner potential cannot develop without your willingness and conscious participation. So here we are going to share some exciting tricks and ideas. Okay, moving on to the next slide. So the first thing what you can do as a scrum master to great visibility is that understand the business and functionalities. It is very basic. Being a scrum master, it's not only like you need to facilitate or you need to manage the team. Not manage, I suppose not to use the term. You need to facilitate the events and you need to work with the team. As a scrum master, if you want some good visibility, you should understand the basic business, why we are doing this, what is the functionality they are bringing to the market, and what is the purpose, why we need it at this moment, need of the hour, that matters, right? Apart from that, desirability, usability and need of the hour is really needed. So that kind of business and functionalities you should understand to have some unified goals. So for that, you must gain that basic knowledge of business and functionalities, which so many of us are not much clear on what are all the items you are doing, why we are doing that unified vision or goal we are lagging. So if you are developing this one, your visibility will automatically increase because you will be performing. If you are having that understanding of your program or of your work, you will perform very well. Innovation will thrive in your project. Okay, so next slide. Facilitate, organize, organization level events. This one really worked very well for me. Okay, so being a scrum master, we must be good at this facilitation skill set. Okay, so don't limit your skill set in your team, within your team. Try to enhance the skill set across the organization level. Okay, so when you're doing this organization level events, you will be seeing by or looking by so many different people, okay, which you don't know who are they, who is it and all, but they got to know you by this way. So facilitate, organize, organization level, facilitate or organize organization level events. Okay, so this will give you n number of contacts, n number of connections. So always look for the chance and try to participate this kind of organization level events. Rudimentary knowledge on technical areas. So, being a Scrum Master, many used to say, I don't want any technical knowledge. Of course, I didn't deny that indubitably. However, if you want to be unique, you have to take some unique actions. I don't requesting you guys to have some depth knowledge of technical areas and all. No, that is not at all essential. But having some rudimentary, there is basic knowledge on what your team members are talking, what are the languages they are using, what are all the terms they are using. If you're having that understanding, there is one famous quote or famous say is there: if you want to convey your love, you should know the language of your lover, otherwise you can't express the love and gratitude and affection towards your lover, right? So that language should be there. Okay, so that alignment, that perceptions, if you want to have with your team member, then have some basic knowledge on the technical areas, what they are discussing, what these terms mean, that kind of knowledge you should have. Okay, so moving on to the next slide. Work with DL, that means delivery lead or program manager. Help them to create good reports with data point. Okay, always your leadership team or delivery leaders or program managers will be looking for the data. How can we showcase our progress? Okay, on the reporting perception. Okay, so there, if you are helping to them in the program level, you will be getting that great visibility in the program level, not only on your team level. Okay, so work closely with your delivery leads or program manager to get to help them to get some excellent reports to showcase the progress of your team or the remaining team. And how can you make the visibility for your program in your organization? Okay, it's not like you're performing and your team alone performing. Have that great vision or big vision, how you can improvise your complete project in performance, and how you can show the reports in the organization level. Okay, so in your organization there may be some 100 programs or 100 projects may run at this moment. So for this, out of this 100, if you're making your project as a unique one, work with this delivery leaders or program manager, so automatically your program will be visible to the organization head. In turn, you will also gain the great visibility. Okay, so this is one another best option. Have a connect with various teams under your domain or multiple domain. It's not like I'm a scrum master for this team, for XY team, I don't want to connect with that Z team or W team. No, it's not like that case. You, whenever you are having some time, go ahead and connect with the remaining team members, and the remaining team members in the sense other team members or other scrum masters, or other agile coaches or other delivery leads. Maybe they will be having some great idea to share with you to make your progress much more better. Okay, or otherwise if they are struggling, you can add value to their program or their team, which you can easily get visibility among the next team members or other team members. So this is one great way. Please connect with the various teams. It's not only you have to work for your team, you can always support people, you always help people, you will get the visibility very quickly and shortly. Build a well rapport with all the agile coaches in the organization. Many of the scrum masters don't even know who's the agile coach, or who to whom are agile coaches or reporting or aligning or working with. That idea itself we are not having. Okay, so build a good rapport, build a good connect with the remaining agile coaches in the organization, which will bring you some great stuffs to your table. Okay, it, you will be having some different perceptions, different ideas, different insights. Your skill sets will augment like anything. Okay, so it's not only you have to connect with your agile coach. No, schedule a bi-weekly call to align with them. How can you support them, or how can you learn from them? What are all the strategies they are using? Do they want to participate? Do they want to help you in any of the sector, what they are working, where they are working, as a volunteering basis or additional work you can do with that agile coaches. Be part of agile COE or PF. Okay, so agile COE, center of excellence, this is one great place to improve yourself. Okay, so in this forum, people from various department or various domain will be participating, and they will be discuss more about agile maturity, how we can implement agile in our team. Those kind of n number of topics will be discussed in this. Okay, and you can participate in the request for proposal. Okay, request form proposal. So that kind of proposal, say for an instance, if an organization is going to have some project or going to bring some project or going to kick off some project, at the beginning they will be suggesting with some scrum masters, what are all the changes, what are all the implementations, how we can move, those kind of details they will be discussing in general. Okay, so if you get a chance or if you want, go ahead and grab the opportunity. Inform your manager or your line managers stating that I am looking for those opportunities. Please pull me in wherever you find me. So that kind of request for proposal, those things and all, add value. Participate in those discussions. It will really help you to um, gain some knowledge as well. It's not only you are contributing to them. In turn, you also will be benefited out of this. Okay, this is another one way. Moving on to the next slide. Collaborate with other departments like finance, HR, recruiting teams, School of Excellence as part of digital and transformation initiatives. Being a Scrum Master and Agile is Agile and Scrum is not only essential to be in included or worked in okay, some industries. It can be implemented in anywhere, everywhere, like schools or colleges, restaurants, everywhere we can implement this agile. Okay, so collaborate with other departments. It's not only like IT development team I have to implement agile. It's not like that. So collaborate with finance, HR, recruiting team, School of Excellence, digital and transformation initiatives. You don't want to implement your agile skills everywhere. However, you can collaborate and get to know how this finance team is performing, how the recruiting team is working in your organization. So this kind of alignment will give you some insights as well as some visibility to the team members who are working on this thing. So for an instance, I work with my recruiting team in my organization. It really really helped me and brought some great visibility, I could say, in my organization as well as out of my organization. So that way you can project yourself. Okay, push yourself. Little bit push and little bit projection is really needed. Next slide. Build your network. Build your network like anything via LinkedIn or some in-person events, sessions, conferences, meetup, YouTube. There are so many forums are available. You can build your network over there. Okay, last year when I resumed my career, my LinkedIn contacts was like around 25 or 30. Okay, when I started my journey job hunt, probably last April or May. Okay, hope so, not even May, June, July only I actively started to work on LinkedIn. Before that I was having the account, but I was not very active till today. I'm having around 4,500 followers in my LinkedIn profile. So build your network like anything. It's not like I'm sending invite to people. I'm contributing myself in so many forums, and in turn I'm getting that network and I'm getting the knowledge from various people I'm collaborating, mingling, so that based on their ideas, awareness, I'm gaining more insights. Okay, so build your network like anything. Participate in person events nowadays. After COVID, so many organizations resumed and organizing some in-person events. Try to participate those things. And the sessions, take some sessions wherever you get chance. Take some sessions, conferences, meetups. Okay, that kind of thing will really help you to grow. Try to nominate yourself as a volunteer for public events, conferences like CareersTalk, Agile Network India. The insights will be more. And to be honest and to be upfront, my visibility, of course, I'm not a great person or successful person at this moment. However, I'm still trying to do that. I hope I will do that for sure. But that visibility really came after I actively started to contribute to the careers talk. Okay, so first I have to thank Sunand for believing me and giving this opportunity all the time. Whenever I ask Sunand, what can I do, can you share some topic to me to discuss, or to present, like that kind of thirst I was having. I got the opportunity for the thirst as well, so I'm doing it, I'm contributing to careers talk, and I'm getting that visibility. So many members have thanked me for the videos, what Sunan gave the opportunity, those things and all. Okay, so this kind of participation, contribution, volunteering work, you will get great visibility. Out of that visibility, you will get more opportunities. Literally, I got more opportunities, and because of careers talk. It's not like I'm viewing that video and I'm attending the interview. It's not like that. I'm contributing to them. So based on that, people are knowing about me. Okay, so this is how Sindhija will work. That kind of perceptions or that kind of thing, or some feedbacks as well, I'm getting. Okay, I still remember some member, I don't know who is that even. In my first video, he called me some great agile coach. He called me and he gave some great feedback to improve. It's not a positive feedback, I could say. uh, Negative feedback, though it is an improvement area for me. So to improve yourself, to scale up yourself, to increase your pay, and to gain visibility, opportunity, world level opportunity, try to contribute more and participate as a volunteer, at least for so many public events, conferences, and contribute yourself as a speaker, as a panelist, or as a moderator in any of these events. Okay, so this will give you the great picture. Okay, thank you so much. I would like to repeat the quote what I started with. Your inner potential cannot develop without your willingness and conscious participation. So your inner potential cannot develop. You have to willingly participate, willingly contribute, willingly volunteer yourself, so that opportunity will be overloaded to you, and you will be getting the visibility of yourself. Okay, all the very best for you all. Thank you so much.